World Computer Literacy Day is observed every year on 2nd December, where computers education and existence are promoted among the people, considering that the world works on the PC and computerized devices, which have become a fundamental thing in the regular world. World Computer Literacy Day is celebrated to advance the mindfulness of the PC and electronic gadgets. World Computer Literacy Day urges individuals to utilize them effectively with a scope of abilities running from essential use to the programming level and progressed critical thinking. History of World Computer Literacy Day. The recognition of World Computer Literacy Day was held in the year 2001. World Computer Literacy Day was introduced solely to make the people aware of computers and technology that has not yet reached enough people. Some of the most common ways of spreading awareness are advertising computers over social media and media channels that would be aware of people with its benefits and usage. Effects of computer literacy in education. Some of the benefits and impact of computer literacy in education. It has increased teachers and students' interest and motivation. It has impacted in improvement and advancement of knowledge of the teacher and students through easy access to educational materials and research online. When we talk about computers, it is imperative to mention Charles Babbage, a British mathematician whose ideas helped build in the way for the invention of computers with his extraordinary imagination. He dreamed of an analytical machine that would solve any mathematical calculations. The device mentioned has uses of punched cards for instructions and a memory unit for the number storage. It was an early computer. While Babbage never completed his analytical machine, it was a life-changing idea including all of a modern computer's basic parts. Babbage's idea broke the time, especially when he was working in the 1820s. Although his work did not go in vain, as Hermann Hollerith designed his own version of the analytical machine, which was a stepping stone in creation of the computers we know today. In today's time, the computers share a tremendous contribution and have made a critical and important existence in people's lives today. From time to time, many evolutions were done in computers, emerging technology, one of the most valuable changes being its development from analytical to digital. Today, computers have become fast and easily accessible and facilitate the power to process information within the blink of an eye. Computers are of utmost fruitful to human life, and thus they should be advertised in the world so that people can access its benefits and nourish their life with the latest technology. Types of computers. Microcomputers. Microcomputers are also known as personal computers. Mini computers. Mini computers are also known as mid-range computers. Mainframe computers, supercomputers, servers, workstations, information appliances, embedded computers. Modern computers versus old computers. There are lots of differences between modern and old computers. Some of them are: modern computers have a larger memory and can run several and more complex programs at once. The size of computers has decreased by a huge amount, making computers very easy to carry around. The graphics of modern computers have been developed so much that they look like real life. The speed of computers has increased by a lot and now you can download a full-length movie in about 5 minutes. Characteristics of a computer. Computer has making human life faster because of its incredible speed, accuracy and storage with which human can save anything and search it out easily when needed. We can say computer a versatile machine because it is very flexible in performing their jobs, but computers have several important advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of a computer: data security, accuracy, speed, stores huge amount of data. Disadvantages of a computer: virus and hacking accounts, online cyber crimes, reduction in employment opportunity.
This pandemic has made us realize the importance of computer. Computer skills not only as a subject, but it is also helpful in other subjects and extracurricular activities. Students can make great projects, presentations, art and craft, image editing, video editing, or learn new skills like animation, programming, etc. Students can make a career in this stream where these computer skills are required. Students who are well aware of computer skills can easily adapt to new technology and hence step towards their smart development and success in life. Happy World Computer Literacy Day. Thank you all.